Hello everyone. If you dream of studying in Japan at the prestigious University of Tokyo, this video is for you. We'll guide you step by step through the entire application process for international students, covering admissions, documents, proficiency, scholarships, and visas. The University of Tokyo is one of Asia's top-ranked universities, known for excellence in research, innovation, and academics. Studying here provides access to world-class professors, cutting-edge research facilities, and a multicultural student community. Living in Tokyo offers cultural immersion and exciting career opportunities, with international students comprising approximately 15% of the student body. Before applying, decide your program type: undergraduate for 4-year bachelor's degrees or graduate for master's, PhD, and professional programs. Undergraduate programs span science, engineering, humanities, economics, and social sciences, with the first 2 years focused on liberal arts. Graduate programs include engineering, natural sciences, social sciences, and business, each with specific entry requirements. For undergraduates, requirements include a high school diploma, academic transcripts, and English or Japanese proficiency. Some programs may require standardized tests like SAT, ACT, or IB scores, or specific entrance exams. Graduate applicants need a bachelor's degree, academic transcripts, a statement of purpose, and letters of recommendation. GRE/GMAT scores may also be required for some programs, so check the official website for details. Gather all required documents carefully, including academic transcripts, certificates, and a strong statement of purpose. Ensure you have letters of recommendation, your passport, and test scores like TOEFL, IELTS, or Japanese language tests. All documents must be certified, translated if necessary, and neatly organized for submission. Language proficiency is crucial, as programs are taught in English or Japanese. English-taught programs typically require TOEFL IBT 90 to 100 or IELTS Academic 6.5 to 7.0. Japanese-taught programs require JLPT N1 or N2, depending on the specific program. Applications are submitted online through the University of Tokyo International Admissions Portal. Fill out personal details, academic history, and program choice, then upload all required documents. Pay the application fee and double-check all information before submitting to avoid delays. Start your application early, as deadlines are December 13th, 2024 for undergraduate and December 1st, 2024 for graduate programs. Write authentic statements, highlight achievements, and ensure recommendation letters are submitted on time. Upon acceptance, you'll receive an admission letter essential for applying for a Japanese student visa. You'll need a certificate of eligibility before the visa application, with assistance from the Graduate School of Economics if applicable. Submit your visa application to your local Japanese embassy or consulate with required documents like financial proof and a health certificate. The University of Tokyo offers scholarships like the MEXT Scholarship and University of Tokyo Fellowship programs. JASO Honors Scholarship and Teaching or Research Assistantships are also available. Check the scholarship page for eligibility. Before arriving, arrange housing, attend international student orientation, and explore campus resources. Open a bank account and arrange health insurance to ensure a smooth start to student life. Explore English programs like PEAK, special screening tests, student support services, and international dorms. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more study abroad tips. Good luck with your applications, and we hope to see you studying in Japan soon.